temo butwe igoro kubwa bana baki na gavana onyira bana abo erebyo serebobe umugabana karango y'ikikura na ariyeteira na nagakira bana baito ebirasi bya ECD agateba narwane sana anyole basari agateba nateme sana alende school feeding program engamuneye gavana wikira ni ustraikerania basi gavana I have nothing much to say. Just to say thank you very much as a program yega, and one of the greatest things that you talk about ngelinga na wanyeko ile program ya mabere talinga tu yachete KCC okanyole batia bana boda boda bashirikishwe egera mabere kara ikire banyere chiskuru na banyale gento gake ikire ndike Your Excellency hapa mtaani wasichana wakikuwa wakubwa wanasemanga wakudumu atadumu yana watu wakina sege Swahili wakudumu atafanya nini atadumu watu wataongea sana others will speak negative others will be positive but I want to encourage you and say wakudumu atadumu na Gavana Simbarati atadumu miaka 10 wale ambao wako na kinyongo tumenye kuacha kwa sababu kwenye Kisii County but Gavana will be there for 10 years. Thank you.